Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making fried eggs with braised tofu. A comforting dish that's full of flavor, easy to make, and super affordable. Let's get started. Here's what we will need. 1 block of salt brine tofu. Cut it into thick pieces so they hold their shape while cooking. 1 green pepper and 1 red bell pepper, both cut into diamond-shaped pieces. 3 eggs, cracked into a bowl. A bit of chopped scallion, and some lightly smashed garlic cloves. Alright, let's fire up the stove and heat up the wok. Add oil to the wok and pour in the eggs. Let them sit. And once the eggs have set, use your spatula to cut the eggs into chunks right in the wok. Once cooked through, take them out and set them aside. Next, let's add some oil in the wok and lay the tofu pieces flat in it. Let them cook undisturbed until the bottom side gets a golden crust. Then flip and sear the other side until both sides are golden and slightly crispy. Remove and drain the tofu. Add fresh oil into the wok. Toss in the smashed garlic and let it release its aroma. Then add the fried egg pieces and tofu back into the wok. Season with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, enough hot water to just cover the ingredients, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of ground pepper. Let everything simmer uncovered for about 5 minutes so the eggs and tofu can absorb all that rich flavor. Now, add the green and red peppers. Let them cook in the broth briefly to release their flavor into the sauce. Add the chopped scallions. Then slowly pour in the cornstarch slurry later by later, stirring as you go to thicken the sauce into a light glaze. Right before serving, drizzle a little bit of cooking oil or sesame oil and give everything a quick stir on high heat. And that's it. It's ready to serve. Take a look at that glossy finish. So appetizing. Look how tender the tofu is. After pan frying, the tofu in the wok absorbs all the flavors and stays firm, perfectly braised and super tasty. And get this, the whole dish costs less than $1 to make at home in China. Delicious, clean, and budget-friendly. Give it a try in your kitchen. Thanks for watching. See you next time.